Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to learn about planets. We just take off in space. Now we are discover our planets. Here we go. Our first planet is Earth. Do you know Earth is our home where we live? It is only planet we know of that has life. Look how beautiful it is. Next is Sun. The Sun is not a planet but it's the center of our solar system. It is super hot and gives us light and warmth. Here is Mercury. It's the smallest planet and also the closest to the Sun. Did you know it has no atmosphere? Next up, Venus. It is the hottest planet because of the thick clouds that trap heat. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for some more videos. See you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel Chroma Kids Creation.